Let's take it over to Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Hello, Alan.
Hello, Angie. Last week was weak for stocks, WEAK. So we saw the VIX, the volatility fear factor, push above 20 for the first time since that May level. And markets have come back to that breakout point of that 4,200 in the S&P.
You have been waiting for the S&P to break out. What's going on?
All right, so we did disappoint last week. I was looking for an upside breakout. We got very close to 4,400, which is the midpoint of this larger overall range, but we tested and rejected. Good news is now we're testing and rejecting the bottom side of this range at 4,200. So we'll let the markets tell us what's next.
That's a good plan.
All right, so we're letting the S&P settle right now after trading sideways. We're still, a little bit over double digits from the all-time forever top, but it is disappointing to see down here at this 4,200 level. Let's see where we are on a weekly basis once we test it and see if we reject it.
What's your new trade?
All right, the stock I'm looking at here has a lot of positives. Even though the market's not doing much, I'm seeing bullish diversions in Under Armour. Under Armour's got a PE of 13, so it's a relatively cheap stock. And it's trading here between $6 and $8 here for the last 6 months. A breakout of this range targets $10. Now, this is at decade-plus lows. We're seeing this stock make new lows here at the end of September, just 3 weeks ago. New lows, but not new highs in implied volatility. And we're also seeing some leverage buying come in, leverage long positioning happen in this stock that's now 45% off its February top.
What's the plan, Alan?
All right, the way to play, I'm looking at UAA. UAA, a June call. June option has 8 months of time. 8 months of time. In the 5 call, it hasn't been a 5 back since 2010. So you've got the right to be long for 5. That option now with the stock trading at 725 is about 225 in the money. It's trading for about 275. The expiration break even on this option is about 50 cents higher. And if we just get to that 10 technical target, this option gains nearly 100%.
Well, very good. Thank you so much, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.